What's up, my little lemons, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making coconut curry. Coconut curry, if you guys haven't had it before, it's amazing. And today, we're gonna make curry from scratch. Now to make curry, it's a bunch of spices, and they might be hard for you to find at your store. But if you can't find them, I got links in the description below where you can order them from. Easy. Camera girl couldn't make it today, so we got Cam J filming. What's up, what's up? And let's start making this curry right after this commercial break. Are you tired of eating air out of an empty bowl? Well, you should be. Introducing new coconut curry. Fill your bowl with delicious, hearty food. Now, coconut curry retails for $100, but we're not gonna charge you that much. We're not gonna even charge you half that. In fact, we're not gonna charge you $40. For a limited time only, coconut curry is just $20. That's right, 5 easy payments of $20. Don't wanna pay $20? Well then smash that like button. Welcome back. Let's start making this. We're gonna start off by making our curry spice. Recipe in the description below. Check that out. All right, we got a pan going at medium-high heat. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. To that, we're gonna add a tablespoon of cumin seeds. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of cardamom taken out of the pod, a tablespoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of whole cloves, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, and about 1 inch of cinnamon stick. And we're just gonna let those toast for about a minute or until they get fragrant. All right, once you guys have these toasting for about a minute, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of turmeric. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and last, a teaspoon of mustard seed powder. Let that just toast for another 30 seconds or so. Oh, hey dude, we don't have a spice grinder. How are we gonna grind these up? Oh, good question, dude. Well, I was thinking we could use a rolling pin and Ziploc bag and just kind of grind them over, or I think I have a better idea. We're gonna transfer this to a small mason jar. And so we do have a blender. Just wanna take the bottom off. I'm gonna put that right on the mason jar and screw this right over it. Boom! Throw this guy on here and grind. All right, not bad at all. Check that out. All right, our curry powder is made. Success! Let's start making our coconut curry chicken now. We interrupt this broadcast with breaking news. Rapper Childish Gam J-Mac has just released a music video called This Is Coconut Curry. It is taking the amateur kitchen by storm. Let's show the viewers a clip. This is coconut curry. Don't catch you slipping up. Don't catch you slipping up. Did he just shoot that wall? I got a strat. I got a carrier. Yeah, I'ma go into this. Yeah, coconut curry, whoop! And back to your regular broadcast. All right, welcome back. Let's do it for real this time. All right, so we got ourselves a yellow onion. Cut the end off. All right, perfect. We still have this knob here. All right, and then just go ahead and cut this guy in half. All right, so we're gonna take our onion, take our knife, and we're gonna cut little slits up to the top, but we're not gonna go all the way up. Then, once you have your onion slots, you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna make little slits going this way as well. From here, you can just start dicing. And once you start getting close to the end, you got this little knob to hang on to. And I'm just gonna dice these up even more. I don't like any onion chunks. Like 7. We're also gonna grate up about 1 inch of ginger. To peel this, you're just gonna take a spoon and you're just going to run it over the skin. All right, so I just got a zester. We're just gonna run the ginger right over it. All right, and the last thing we're gonna do for this part is we're going to mince up about 6 cloves of garlic. All right, in our pot on medium-low heat, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Into that, we're gonna add our onions and our garlic and ginger. We're gonna turn that down to low, and we're gonna add about a half a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna give this a quick stir and let it cook down for about 5 minutes or so. Let's get our chicken going. All right, so we got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And so I like to just cut these up in about 1-inch cubes. Some people like them bigger, but you know, go smaller, go home. And we're just gonna kind of lay out our chunks here. We're gonna sprinkle this with some salt and pepper. And make sure you guys are salt baying this. Seriously guys, come on. Let's head back over to the pot. All right, our onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes. Got a little brown part on there, that's good, that's extra flavor. We're gonna add another tablespoon of coconut oil. And to that, a tablespoon of tomato paste. So stir that in and cook it for about another 2 minutes or so. All right, that's been cooking for about 2 minutes. Let's add our chicken. All right, we're gonna give this a quick stir. All right, we're gonna add a teaspoon of our curry powder. And to that, we got a can of coconut milk, 13.5 ounces. It's gonna go right in. And we're gonna do 3 cups of chicken broth. Throw a bay leaf in there, and we're gonna stir that up. Try to scrape any brown bits from the bottom as well. It's extra flavors. All right, we're gonna cover that up. We're gonna turn it to medium low, and we're gonna let our coconut curry cook for about 15 minutes. So this has been cooking for about 15 minutes. We're gonna take the lid off of it, and we're gonna let that cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes to thicken up the sauce. Maybe cook some rice in the meantime. If you don't know how, we did it in the adobo video. Check it out. All right, this is reduced down now. I just like to add juice from about half of a lemon in here. Give it a nice little tang. And go ahead and stir that up and just cook that for 1 more minute. All right, we got some rice in a bowl. Let's just scoop some of our coconut curry in there. Mmm. All right, some people top it off with cilantro, but to me, that's the devil's lettuce. So I'm gonna top it off with mint instead. Closest thing to cilantro without tasting like death. And that's our coconut curry. Mmm. Oh. Whoa. That is so good. Camera's rolling. We're live. Yeah, hold on. I'm watching Travis McPee's Perfectly Imperfect Tech Reviews. It's pretty awesome. All right. And for today's broadcast, newsflash, coconut curry is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, smash that like button. If you want to see more episodes, hit that subscribe button. Also, throw a comment down below. Say what's up. Tell me any recipe ideas that you want to see. This concludes our broadcast. Thank you.